If your roasted vegetables ever feel a little boring, this sweet maple spice dust might be exactly what they need. It's sweet, warm, slightly smoky, and designed especially to make vegetables taste incredible. And if you want the full recipe with all the measurements, you'll find everything waiting for you down in the description. To begin with, I am using 2 tablespoons of maple sugar together with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to create that sweet, caramelizing base. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, along with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for warmth and a gentle smoky flavor. Then sprinkle in half a teaspoon of ground ginger, together with half a teaspoon of garlic powder to balance the sweetness. Now add half a teaspoon of sea salt to bring all the flavors together. And finally, finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a subtle kick. Once everything is in, whisk the mixture well until the sugars and spices are evenly combined. Before we go any further, if this seasoning idea sparked a cooking idea for you, hit like, send it to someone who loves roasted veggies, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget the bell icon so you never miss the next flavorful recipe. And just like that, your sweet maple spice dust is ready to use. This recipe makes about a 1/4 cup of seasoning, perfect for tossing with roasted vegetables you want to give a sweet and flavorful upgrade. If you need to store this blend for future use, simply transfer it to an airtight spice shaker or container where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. So try this spice dust the next time you roast vegetables and see how quickly it disappears from the table. And if you give it a go, tell us which veggies you used it on. See you again soon with another easy recipe.